Toss up with the homies. Military got it, bitch. I keep that rolling on me. Tell me anywhere you want, I can take you there. Let me show you my way, baby. I could make if they tell let's go. Tell me what you want, baby. We can go. Let's go. You say get down, all we know is my heel. Girl, in my phone.
Voted on what subwoofers you wanted to see me review next. So Mega Bass ended up sending me another enclosure with the subs up and port back. I have yet to open it. I think I had this box for about a month and a half, probably 2 months at this point. But I got new subwoofers showing up and I don't want to take the American basses out the box I have in the Jeep right now. So I'm just going to install the new subs that when they arrive inside this box. I'm gonna let this air out because the bed liner finish that they put on here, it's a smell that lingers and it takes a long time for it to dissipate. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open it now and let this thing just air out and wait on my new subs to get in, and then I'll install it and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. And they will be here on Monday, so stay tuned for that. That won't be a part of the series. That's gonna be a separate video, basically getting back to the things I used to do, you know, having a little bit more fun. I like testing new subwoofers out. Every subwoofer is unique. It creates a different sound, and I'm glad I'm in a position to experience different subwoofers. Like I said before, JR Audio and Rafa Fosgate is #1 to me, and every other company is competing with them when it comes to sound quality, not sound pressure. So for this video, I'm gonna be snatching everything out and laying the rest of the Deadener that I have left over. I have about 10 sheets and a half. So hopefully this is not too boring. I'm gonna try to make this one short, no longer than like 10 minutes, but it's gonna take me a while to snatch everything out and also install the Deadener, and I'll show you before and also afterwards. I think my roof is pretty good. I do still kind of have this like little part that's leaking back there where the antenna was banging the top of the roof, and I wish I had known that before I started playing my music. If I was to do this all over, I would have ensured that that antenna was glued like I have it now to the top of the roof so it wouldn't rattle and create a crack right there. I've tried everything to try to bond it and stop it from leaking. So that's one of the things I still kind of run into with the music. The alternator install will be my last thing I do. I think I'm going to do that on part 6, and that will be it. Now the American basses in this Mega Bass enclosure sounds perfect. I love the sound, but the only thing is that Big Jeff battery is in the way, so I kind of feel like I want to delete it, but I kind of don't want to take it out either. So I may end up taking it out until I find some other place to put it, but that's one of the things that I'm considering doing. So stick with me and let's get this done. So this is it. This is how everything looks. I'm still gonna have to take off that other plastic piece right here in order to get down to the body, clean it up and put the sound deadener on. That is the other amp I have, the Kenwood that's back here that powers those 3 small speakers One is in the center dash and 2 is in the upper rear. 1 is right there and 1 is right there. And those are audio frogs. After I get done with the trunk, I think I'm gonna move to the sides and go ahead and do those too. Like I said, I have 10 sheets right here and I wanna use them up. All right, so I have that carpeted piece flipped over right there. This is underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum, spray some Windex, clean it off, let it draw off, and then I'm gonna start applying the sheets. And listen to it now. You hear that? I'm hoping that makes a difference when I apply the sheets. So let me go ahead and clean it out, let it dry, and apply the sheets, and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Right, it should be nice and dry now. Let's start applying the sheets. All right, gents, I think I've achieved what I wanted to achieve with this mini project. I've covered the bottom portion of the trunk completely with Deadener. I don't think there's any other place that I can put it. I will be doing this left side and right side, but I'm probably gonna do that off camera or maybe save it for the next video. But it's looking good. I'm gonna be putting everything back in, and I still have about 3 sheets left. Look at all the paper. Yeah. So I have about 3 sheets left, and we'll figure out where we're gonna put those, and maybe I'll have to order some more as well, but that's looking good, and hopefully this helps the acoustics back here with any type of rattling or better resonance with the sound waves. So I will see you guys in the next one. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.